ये वो है हाँ। और सरोज आप मंडल आप मिल के चलो आइए आप मिल के चलो। इसको केक भी यहाँ
कटे
आइए
एकदम सामने से लेना।
ओके सर।
नहीं नहीं है
So, before we do the cake cutting ceremony, Anirudh, evening, sir, please. I was reading the press release, and I think the car is not just beautiful, it is one of the most path-breaking cars in my view in last probably 6 years of my journey with Hyundai. Because this time this is not just the product, it is also the pricing. So I'm very happy, and I was pleasantly surprised today morning at around 9:50 a.m. I was actually still in my home. I came yesterday from out of town from a marriage. I was little late. I got a call from the MD designate MD Mr. Tarun Garg today morning, and I was surprised. And he asked me about the feedback of the car. So I had all the feedback, and I gave him extremely good feedback. And he said, "Kitna bechoge?" So then I told him, "Sir, it depends on the price." Then he said, "How much increase we can do in the pricing?" So I got a hang that this time increase will not be much, because he is asking what is will be increase. But I definitely told him that, sir, with the looks, Hyundai can definitely go for a price increase of up to 70, 80 or 1 lakh. But if you want larger volume, then the price should not go up drastically. He said, okay, if let us say the price is only going up by 10 to 15, then my view was that it could be the new Creta. That is my view, because Bronx is also selling quite in a high number. But in my view, this Hyundai venue should do extremely well. And in the afternoon when I saw the price, we were all zapped. There are a lot of forums where HMIL officers, office bearers are not present. अंदर आ जाइए क्योंकि दरवाजा क्रॉस हो रहा है. इधर आ जाइए. A lot of people are not present, and in that forum, many times some dealers are skeptical. They talk good, bad, all things. But this is the first time I am seeing that everyone is talking positive. Everyone is positive about this car. And I think this was a long due launch from Hyundai, and this will change. This will be the beginning of a new era in my view for Hyundai. So we have a lot of expectations, sir, and we would like to formally thank you for such a wonderful car at such a wonderful price. Thank you, sir. Start to say a few words.
First of all, I'm very happy to be with you in this kind of auspicious day. As Mr. Kamudawar mentioned, this time actually Hyundai Motors, we want to provide very competitive, but not only competitive car. All the time, we're pursuing the customer satisfaction as a number one in the company's philosophy. So along with, obviously, technology, high performance technology and safety, all of parts, we are proud of this car. And as he mentioned, I also agree this car will be a new era of this category of new Hyundai. Once again, thank you very much for.
Well, long wait is over. In fact, as Akhilji told, the long wait is over. So it's a start of the new beginning, I will say, in fact. So very good things now, from now onwards, you are going to see. Just to tell about the product, I think so in this segment, one of the best product you have got. I don't think so any product is there in this segment which is having such kind of the features. So if you talk about any feature, what you are getting in the top end of Creta, almost all features you are getting in the top end of Venue also. So guys, I think so this is the right time to hit the market back in fact, and we should boom in the market with this new product. And all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.
Okay, I think Phil already has told about the beautification of the product. But from my side, I think my only request to the team is basically this product should sell by selling the features, right? So selling features is very important because a lot of features are there. So now without thinking about the discount part, keeping aside, very important is selling this product and features is important. And I'm sure that you are going to rock this product because the way it has been kept and the variant, we have around 31 variants. So customer will be actually getting the product whatever he wants in his that variant. So 31 variants and with the HX, now Hyundai Experience. HX means Hyundai Experience. With that sort of nomenclature in the variant, I think customers are going to be very, very, what do you say? It will be easy for them basically for the customer to choose the product, right? So all the best to everybody and sell this product through by only features, not by selling anything else. Okay, thank you very much.
Kamal, still photo. Still photo. Please, sir. Sorry. टेढ़ा करो। नहीं यहाँ क्या
Oh, you also joined. Yeah. दूसरा हाथ पीछे से काटना पड़ेगा।
एक सेकंड
क्या हुआ?
ठीक है।
जो ओरिजिनल कलर था ना वो ट्रांजिट नहीं रहा, ये दूसरा कलर से कर दिया। राजगढ़िया, हाँ राजगढ़िया का तो आया नहीं ना, नहीं हम लोग यहाँ से करते। और हमारा तो ये वाला नॉर्मल व्हीकल है, डिस्प्ले डेमो व्हीकल आया नहीं।
क्या सर? कलर कौन सा है? पर्पल है कि ब्लू?
मिस्टिक सफाई। This is taller, this is wider, this is taller, wider, and longer wheelbase. sapphire, but display color is this one actually. डिस्प्ले में कहाँ गया? ये रहा. इसमें ये हेजल ब्लू ब्लैक ये था हमारा. ब्लू इसे हेजल ये है. ये शोरूम में हेजल ब्लू रखना. हेजल ब्लू रखना. स्नैक्स सर्व करिए मैडम. वीडियो काट के दे दो.
না ভেনু আগে হ্যাঁ ভেনুটা আবার আবার নতুন একটা टॉप वेरिएंट है सर. ठीक है.
अभी ऑफ किया हुआ है. अभी सेटिंग नहीं है. यहाँ पर सब कुछ सेटिंग करके टेस्ट का जो वेरिएंट है सब कुछ ये आपका जो आपका इलेक्ट्रिकली साउंड होगा
ये हमारे लिए सर नया डिजाइन वाला
एकदम स्पेसियस. प्राइस आएगा ना इन दिस सेगमेंट बेस्ट का अभी थोड़ा सा सिमिलर टाइप.
Sir, how is the view for new venue?
It's fantastic, fantastic.
ऊपर नारी गए वाला है.
Good evening, ma'am. What is the view in the new venue?
It looks very nice compared to like the face to looks to be nice and has a lot of the features that maybe I was looking for. in a car right now since I have to buy a new car. And I think there's also a lot of comfort. There is enough leg space. And me being tall and require that leg space, so I think a good facelift.
So would you like to take a test drive? So are you taking a test drive of it?
Yeah, I think tomorrow or day after we will be doing a test drive.
And what about the new color? The Mystic Sapphire?
It's a different color, but I like it. But yeah, I liked it. Like it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
वहाँ पे नहीं है वो वाला देखिए नहीं है देखिए उसका आप देखिए और इसका आपका हेड स्पेस देखिए सर बट हेड स्पेस नॉट ये सेम चीज नहीं यहाँ पर होगा आप ये बैठेंगे और जो साइड में स्क्रीन कार भी यहाँ पर जो बैठे इसका हर चीज अब देखिए इसमें भी ज़्यादा पूरा जैसा ऐसे सेम उसको मालूम ही नहीं होगा कि वो और ये भी सॉफ्ट टच है
आपके पास नहीं है गाड़ी का चाबी? वो जो बोला कि आपको दिया है? बढ़िया लगा मुझे डिस्प्ले
का भी होने का मस्त है दिया हुआ है सर ये जो सॉफ्ट टच है
Wireless charging.
ये भी देखिए सॉफ्ट टच यहाँ वीडियो पर दिया हुआ है देखा प्रीमियम लगते हैं
Drive mode
ये
terrain,
भी हम लोगों को प्रॉमिस किया है कि
auto hold, parking brakes, ventilated seats,
हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि
reverse parking camera.
ऐसा नहीं होगा
तो आप लोगों के पास प्राइस का कुछ आया है?
सब आ जाएगा सब
TCD gear knob, now maybe more premium.
बैटरी भाई सामने बैठिए सर